Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto detect NFTs feature on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings, tap on security and privacy. Then you should scroll down until you find the auto detect NFTs button and feature. So tap on this button below, thereby enabling the app to display NFT media and data that might expose your IP address to centralized servers. Third-party APIs are used to detect NFTs in your wallet. This exposes your account address with those services. Leave this disabled if you don't want the app to pull data from those services. So if you want to disable this feature, click on this button and then it will be turned off. So basically that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.